Yo, Nation, are you looking for a nice little portable and cute charger brick to take with you on the go? Then I think you want to stay tuned and check out this video on this 35-watt USB-C charger from Gravastar, alright? Alright. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for loosescrewzzandviews, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, Nation, this is your main man Mark, back again another video. And today we're going to take a look at a 35-watt USB-C charging brick from Gravastar. Alright, but before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to God and the Savior Jesus Christ above for making all this possible, because without God, none of this is possible. Alright? Alright. And by the way, can you guys do me a favor? Can you guys go down there and hit that subscribe button? It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. Alright? Alright. Alright. I was scrolling through the interwebs and I was like, wait a minute. I didn't know Gravastar made this a pink one like this, because we got the big brother right here, or the big daddy, whatever you want to call it, you know, the 65 watt, and come to find out they got a 35 watt, all right? Because they got another one, but it wasn't like this one. Let me read some specs out here for the spec junkies. It's a 35 watt USB-C charger. It says it's the Gravastar DELTA35 GaN fast charging block, 2-port compact charger with foldable plug. All right, it's got a foldable plug. And it's a wall charger. It's a wall charger cube for iPhone 15 Plus, 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and 14, and also for the Galaxy Pixel. And then it says iPad and iPad Mini and all that good stuff. It says 35 watt, 2-pin, 240 volt AC. All right. That's for the spec junkies out there. But let's just take a look at the box. Looks pretty cool. You know. Like, got the little 35 watt, got the name on there. It's the DELTA35. You know, it's telling you what it's made for down here. PD 3.0. Got a little safety feature on here, and 35 watt. All right, so you can pause all this and read it for yourself. Let's see right here. It says 35 watt on the side, and it says "Be cool." It says "Be cool, play it." All right. Don't know what that means, but it says "Be cool, play it." All right. Let's see on the back. You got some more information right here, so you can pause this and read it for yourself. All right. Let's see here. Nothing else on the top of the box. All right. And just some other stuff on the bottom. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. All right. Let's see what we're working with. All right. All right. Voila. Got Milwaukee on deck. All right. Let's see if we can get this out. All right. See here, we met with some instruction booklets. All right, and check this out. Presentation is cool. Look at that presentation. All right, it's cool. Like it's saying like it's a robot saying hello and all that good stuff. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, let's get that out of the way. Let's pull this out of the box, packed real good with some good foam in it, and put that to the side, and let's get rid of this box real quick. And wow, here you go. And here's the big brother, so you can like take a look at it, the size. That's too cool. Let's put them down right here. You see these little antennas? They move. All that good stuff. They move, and the arms move as well. All right, that's pretty cool. Let's see. You see the little eyes on here? Now I'm thinking the little eyes light up when you plug it in, but we'll check that out in a minute. Not sure what all this says on here, but you know, you can look it up for yourself. And on the back, you can see how it looks on the back. All right, let's see here. Nothing really other special on the side except for the arms. And on the bottom, as you'll see, you got your plug. You just pull it, you just twist it out like that. Bam, plug it into the wall. Too easy. Too simple. All right, too easy. And then it folds out just like this one folds out. All right. And let's see. Up top you have you only got 2 ports. This one has 3 ports. This one has 2 USB-C ports. Let's see what it says. And it says 35 watts. So I'm imagining, you plug a device in there, it's going to divide, up to 35 watt between the two. But we're going to check it out. I'm going to go ahead and find a power source to plug this in so we can check it out and see what we're working with. All right? All right. Hold tight. Okay, View Nation, we back. We got a power source right here. All right, we got the big brother out here and the little girl, the baby right here. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy up and see what we're working with. All right, plug it into the power source. Watch the eyes as they light up. Look at that. Too cool. Too cool. Look at them eyes. Look at them eyes. All right, and I want to say the eyes blink as well, but I ain't seen it blinking yet. But I think they also blink. Unlike this one they don't blink. But anyway, it's not about that. It's about seeing how much juice we getting. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna plug. This is a 100-watt charging cable. I'm gonna plug it in here, and I'm gonna plug the other end into and it's a long cable. I think it's a 10-foot cable. I'm gonna plug it into the Note 20 Ultra. All right. Super fast charge right there. All right, getting a super fast charge, and it's charging at 13 watt. It's charging at 13 watt. All right. So what I want to do next is go ahead and plug up the iPhone 15 Pro Max and see how much charge, if you still get a fast charge with two devices plugged in there. So, all right, and mind you, this is a 35 watt and this one is a 65 watt. So, it's gonna split up the wattage between the two. So that's what my thinking is. So let's go ahead and plug it up. This one has a power meter, and I'm not sure if this one is 100 watt or not. This may be, I don't know, but I had to double check. Got so many different cables. All right, gonna plug it up. Bam, this one stopped. It went to fast charge. So now it's a fast charge. As you see here, it's at fast charge, not super fast charge, but fast charge. And this one is charging. It's charging at 6 watts. That one's charging at 7 watts. So it's dividing up between the two. Okay, now this one is going up to 9 watt, 10 watt. As you can see here. Hopefully you can see it. Trying to get it to where it is. See, it's going up to 10 watt, while this one is at 7. If you see these, one is at 7, one is at 10. All right. So I mean, you're gonna get fast charging. It's still fast charging, but you're not gonna get super fast charge with two devices plugged in because you got, mind you, it's only 35 watts. So, in my thinking, like I say, I'm not an expert or anything. My thinking would be they would have divided the 35 watt up. It would have been like, 16, 17 or whatever. They would have divided it in half. All right. So I ain't got no calculator to do no math. But, I thought, it would have, at least, both of them would have had the same wattage. You would have had, at least 15 and 15 on one, and then, or 18 and 18. That's what it is, So anyway, but it doesn't. But you're still getting fast charge. So it does what it says it's going to do. It's a nice little novelty item. As you can see, the lights blinking right here. All right, that's too cool. But yeah, it does what it says it does. I mean, So Gravastar did pretty good with this one. With this what's the DELTA35, I believe. But yeah, it's a pretty good device. I mean, because nowadays a lot of the products you get don't come with a charging brick, and to have something like this, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Conversation piece. You have it on your desk. I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna stop and say, "Hey, what is that?" Think you got a toy, but it's actually a power brick. All right. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you notify new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. All right, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description box for the products. So if it's something I forgot and something that I mentioned in the video, you can click on that link in the description box. And spec junkies, let me break this down for you. I had to say this in all the videos. I am not tech support. I am not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person, just like you and me, just everybody else. I just a guy that likes to showcase new products I get right here on the channel. So I'm not an expert. I'm not the manufacturer, you know, because people get it twisted and they get, you know, angry, like, hey, you supposed to do this. Man, I just like to showcase new tech, you know, right? I'm not an expert, you know, right? I'm not tech support, you know, right? I'm not trying to be mean or anything, just, you know, trying to get you before you start blowing up the comment section down there. So I'm this and that. But anyway, enough of that. Treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Well, let's see. The message for the day is, oh yeah. I got this because I was watching a video today, and I also saw this this disturbing thing on the news. And it was just crazy. And I'm not going to say it here on YouTube what it was, but it ties in with the message for the day. Don't be that guy or girl that messes up things for everybody. And you're probably saying, Mark, what are you talking about? Well, I'm talking about, you know, a lot of times people like to put you in a category because you look similar to another person who does certain things. So this person does a certain thing, then and you look like that certain, you look somewhat similar to that other person, they're gonna categorize all of us in the same group, thinking we all the same way. So that's why I'm saying, you know, don't be that one person that messes up everything for everybody. Because you know, people look at like, hey, these shaded people act like this on TV, and then the other ones might do the same thing. They look like them, so they might do the same thing. So, you know, don't be that one person out there acting the fool, showing your butt and all that kind of stuff, just being crazy and, you know, messing it up for everybody else, you know, right? Because you don't only just represent yourself, you represent a whole culture of people. So don't be that person out there that messes it up for everybody, all right? Shoot, I need all the chances and opportunities I can get, man, all right? This is your main man, Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, baby. And I'm out. Peace. Robot.